Hello everybody, welcome back to another wow, my throat hurts. Whew. Wow, my throat really hurts right now. But anyways, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet Deadlocked. In this episode we're gonna do a Liberator treatment. Oh crap. I think that's what it is. Oh no, but right now we're on Planet Miraxis. In the last episode, we couldn't do the challenge in time, but I completed it anyways. So we could just leave the planet right now. Okay.
Shell Shock, Reactor, and now Eviscerator. Cut down in their prime. Victims of that loathsome little lombax. But just who is this Ratchet?
Our Vox News investigation has uncovered shocking, untold stories from his dark, sinister, evil past. The destruction of civic property,
What?
illegal hoverbike gangs, inadequate dental hygiene.
Oh, be strong, Juanita, because there is one man that can put an end to this menace. Ace Heartlight.
Ace Heartlight fans, prepare yourselves. I'm gonna make this one messy. We'll see who the real hero is. When I'm through with that furry freak, nobody's even gonna remember who he was.
Thank you, Ace. The galaxy is rooting for you. We're all rooting for you.
Thanks, babe.
Oh. Well, I need to get off Planet Miraxis real quick and just, kind of help the Liberator tonight. Alright, let's turn that down. But I don't know if there's a video I want to enter or not. But anyways, we'll just buy this new upgrade. Alright. That looks cool. That looks even cooler. Whatever. We'll just head to the here because I think there's a video actually. Never mind, there's not.
We're back in the Battle Dome as Ratchet begins the Liberator tournament. No contestant has made it through this baby all season, and frankly, I don't expect that to change today. Even if he does survive the series of rigged challenges and deadly traps, Ace Heartlight will be waiting to turn him into Lombax today.
Alright. Oh, level 4 on the Arbiter. Pretty good, pretty good. Now, Ace Heartlight's boss is not that bad, honestly. It's pretty easy, actually, I'm not gonna lie. It's not as hard as the Eviscerator. I'm probably just gonna jinx myself right now because I'm probably gonna fail really hard at it. Alright. So apparently we just used the Arbiter in this match. That's all it seems to be we're using. Oh my gosh, my back hurts. Oh, now we're using the B6 Obliterator. Maybe he'll upgrade. Who knows? And ended all the way to level 4? Wow. I didn't even realize it was level 3. Alright, just destroy the mini turrets here. Sorry guys if I'm not talking. It's like 4:30 in the morning and I'm super tired right now. Because today I got a game, so I'm recording this a little earlier. Ooh. There we go. Next challenge.
Mom always said what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. On Red Zone, what does kill you gets us better ratings. Yeah! In this round, Ratchet will run and shoot faster and faster with each opponent he defeats. I wonder what Mom would think of that.
I'll run faster and faster. So it's supposed to be like something special. Woo! Alright, kinda wanna get this B6 Obliterator upgraded. Hello. There we go, level 5. Cause it does look pretty cool all the way up here, not gonna lie. Ooh, I'm going so fast. I am burning the ground up, baby. I finally used this one. We're getting the B6 Obliterators right now. We should get this to level 10. Whee! I'm going so fast. Level 10, baby. Our second level 10. We got a healing mod. Now I'm gonna use B6 Obliterator again. I wonder what happens when we kill this thing. Alright, maybe we'll never know. Literally. That was a pretty wimpy room right there. Okay. I'm going insane. Oh. Oops. Level 7. Maybe I'll get this one to level 2. There we go, challenge complete.
Oh, listen to that crowd, Juanita! It's nights like this that I'm glad I gave up my ballet dancing career.
Tonight we bring you Dreadzone's most highly anticipated matchup yet. In one corner, the undefeated Grand Champion Exterminator, a legend in his own time, Ace Headlights!
And in the other corner, weighing in at 97.5 pounds, most of it probably fluff or fat, Ratchet.
This is it, right? I almost wish it wasn't going to be over so quickly.
Here we go, guys.
Just try to keep it interesting.
We're gonna go
while it
against this
lasts,
cocky
would
dude.
you?
I mean, come on, he's really cocky. You're getting little penis, you guy. Huh? Look at you. Look at you. Look at yeah. That's cute. You have napalm all over you. My napalm all over you. I don't know why I'm using these guns. Why not, I guess. I shouldn't say that in a boss fight. Maybe I should use something effective. That'll probably help in the boss.
And now, for my finishing move.
That was your finishing move? That's kind of sad.
You're gonna pay for that.
Oh, where's the health? There it is.
Extermination is my job. I can't help if I love it. Must fight. Ignore pain.
My dog's barking after you hear that. Nope. Nope. That's unfair. Get out of your stupid shield, dude. Come on. Well, that's not doing crap. Maybe it's because I'm not hitting you. Oh no.
Let's see whose action figure they buy now, Lombax.
That's retarded. Why would you even say that? It's, like, who cares? Really? They're probably gonna buy mine anyways. You don't even have an Ace Hardline action figure in your life. So shut up. Okay, we're just gonna scorpion flail him now.
I eat guys like you for breakfast, Lombax.
Ew. Okay, maybe we should get some health. I don't see any though.
Maybe I should start trying.
Yeah, maybe you should, douchebag. Okay. You're freaking getting killed anyways. Oh. Really? Alright, I'm just gonna side you. Uh-oh.
Actually hurt.
No, he just healed himself up. He just healed himself up. Wow, that's a kind of weird attack, actually. I just thought of that myself.
You're gonna pay for that.
Wow, I just ended up getting that lost anyways. Alright. What? What's in here? Oh my gosh.
You feel lucky?
Where'd he go? Okay. So right now we're gonna use, okay. Let's check a bunch of these out.
This is as far as you go, Lombax. I'm the star.
They're still gonna shoot him anyways.
Must fight. Ignore pain.
Ha, you're getting hurt. Funny. Dude, they're freaking owning you.
You don't know the power of Ace Hardline.
Yeah, dude. Wimpy and lame. Yep. I wanna freaking V6 obliterate you.
I'm gonna walk all over you.
Seems like it. What? That is one of the. That's a. I'm gonna walk all over you after I just kill him. The ghost station.
Watch out for the new Liberator!
Ratchet, just a half-sized rodent with a big wrench.
Stay down, Ace. Don't embarrass yourself.
Embarrass? Embarrass? I'm Ace Hardlight.
You were a hero once, Ace.
Ratchet. Don't let Fox do to you what he did to me. You're the hero now.
You want to see me, Vox?
My boy, you're the grand champion of Dread Zone. The whole galaxy wants to see you. Don't you see, kid? I've been doing everything in my power to make you a star. I've transformed you from a worthless nobody into the hottest celebrity in the galaxy.
Right. So that's why your news show is slandering me every 6 seconds.
Slandering? Why, I was building up your bad boy image. Oh. And this is the thanks I get.
Whatever.
Now, don't be such a baby. I'm about to offer you the opportunity of 1,000 lifetimes. I'm making you the new captain of the Exterminators, the star of the show. Think of it. We'll make billions. We'll sell Ratchet action figures, Ratchet sports shoes, Ratchet deodorant, Ratchet breakfast cereal, earmuffs and cologne, soft drinks, hard drinks, energy drinks, breath mints. You get record deals, movie rights, reality shows, video games, and commercials. and
No deal, Vox.
what did you say?
I'm not your puppet, Vox. You actually think I'd kill other heroes to get rich? You're not just corrupt. You're stupid.
What? You just signed your own death warrant.
So we're done then.
Let him go.
Yes, sir?
We're gonna need one final Dread Zone campaign. Have them prepare that, experimental one we developed.
Sir, you don't mean the Gauntlet of Doom, do you?
Yes.
But, sir, it was mathematically proven to be unbeatable. Right away, sir.
But I can do it. I believe there's another video. Is Al back yet? He's not. He's dead. Guess so. Just gonna have to change our bots to the destroyer so we can match us. That looks pretty cool. There we go, there's our new bots. And there's our new armor. It looks kind of similar to the first armor, but it's not.
I am unworthy to be in your presence, hero.
Shut up! Slap you. Just go to the balcony and do some challenges, you know? If there's any challenges left. Any New Jersey challenges? Yes, Dynamite Baseball.
Oh, we're getting down to the end, folks. Let's see how he handles the danger round.
How's that? How? Alright, so we're nearing the end of the game. We only have, like, one tournament to go and one planet. So it's not really a tournament, but whatever. So same kind of premise, but there's no challenges to it, so. This is a little hard, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Let's do something efficient here. to destroy these guys, you know. There we go, around 4 out of 7. We're gonna still try to upgrade this all the way to 10 because I want to. Now I want to. I thought I was never gonna use this again, but it's upgrading quite quickly now. Wow. Let's use the Hunter Mine launcher then. This is a really good weapon, so maybe I want to upgrade this one too. Yeah. Where'd the freaking bomb go? Uh-oh. Okay, these guys should just die already. Then we'll use the B6 Obliterator for these guys. Ooh. Zombies, you know, that's good for B6 Obliterator, baby. Takes out zombies like nothing. It also lags the crap out of your screen. And the B in B6 Obliterator means bouncer, because it's half bouncer, half grenade launcher. Less is more.
Oh, isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires. He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant monkey.
That's a little racist, don't you think? Wow. Now they're being racist about my ammo. Okay, this is getting a little OP now. It's grenade launcher. You're taking my health away too. It's a little unfair. I didn't know they were taking my health away. Alright, come on, I need a health crate now. Whoa, is there a health crate anywhere? No? There's one right there. I barely did anything. Alright.
Like that was the last of them. I must say, I'm impressed.
Alright. There we go. Let's use the magma cannon now. Something not that much OP as the other one. Because I'm pretty sure that B6 Obliterator is like freaking super powerful now. What level is it? It's a higher level than some of the other guns I have. Now it's actually killing me, and I like that. I like that about my guns. Alright, let's use the mini turrets actually, because I want to get these up to level 10, because I just always get these up to level 10, or up all the way. This is the last time I think we're gonna see the mini turret, so let's pay our respects by getting it all the way to level 10, shall we? And here we go, level 5, baby. Or not. Let's get to it. This is a long level. Oh man, we have freaking 50 seconds left. Hurry up. Alright guys, I'm obviously not gonna complete this challenge in time, so I'll finish up this challenge, and then I'll see everybody in the next episode, which will head to the ghost station in the next episode, and then the episode after that, I'll do the last one, guys, so I'll see everybody in the next episode. My name is GB, and I'm out.